Mr. L. There you are. I've been looking all over for you.
Bob, I'm so glad you found me. I forgot the way to your class and got lost.
I think you turned into the wrong lane and found yourself at the lake. But don't you worry, Mr. L. Now that I have found you, we can leave for class. The children can't wait to meet you.
Yes, Bob, let's go. I don't like to be late. Let's not keep the kids waiting.
Hello, kids. Look who's here to take your lessons for the day. Give a warm, lovely welcome to Mr. L.
Good morning, Mr. L.
Good morning to you too, kids. It's lovely to see you all here. I'm sorry for being late. I had a lazy morning. And then, because I was in a hurry, I lost my way.
You were lucky I found you. Now, would you like to start the class and give us a lesson on things that start with the letter L?
I would love to. Look out, kids. Is that a lion coming your way?
Oh!
And a leaf. Let's not forget lemon. And lights off.
Mr. L, is this one of your funny tricks?
Lamp.
Wow!
That was fun, wasn't it, kids? Mr. L, could you please go through this once more so the kids remember it?
Sure, let's learn this together. Lion. Leaf. Lemon. Lamp.
Thank you, Mr. L. That was lovely. But before you set off for lunch, the kids would like to learn how to write the letter L. It'll just take a little while.
Absolutely.
Let's start. Start at the top and draw a standing line down to the bottom. Now, from there, without picking up your pencil or crayon, draw a long sleeping line to the right. Yes, you got it right. That's the letter L.
That was so easy. Can I try it now, Bob?
Of course. Let's do this again, kids.
Start at the top and draw a standing line to the bottom. Now, from there, without picking up your pencil or crayon, we draw a sleeping line to the right. That is letter L.
I had a lovely time, Bob. Thank you, Bob.
You are welcome, Mr. L. Before you leave, I have a song I would like to sing about you. Would you like to hear it?
I would love that. Go ahead.
Mr. L, you know we can tell that you're funny and you're swell. Oh yes, we can tell. Mr. L, you know we can tell that you're funny and you're swell. Oh yes, we can tell. With a laugh so loud, you make us proud. You are a rock star. Yes, you are. With a laugh so loud, you make us proud. You are a rock star. Yes, you are. Mr. L, you know we can tell that you're funny and you're swell. Oh yes, we can tell. Mr. L, you know we can tell that you're funny and you're swell. Oh yes, we can tell.
Thank you, Bob. I feel very loved indeed.
Thank you, Mr. L, for spending time with us. We will be back soon with another letter of the alphabet and loads of fun.
Yes, of course you will. Goodbye, friends. Catch you later and have a lovely day.